Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. Today, we will learn about the simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to describe actions that happened and were complete in the past. So, today we are going to learn about when we use the past simple, verb to be in the past simple, regular verbs in the past simple, irregular verbs in the past simple, and how we make sentences in the past simple. The first function. When do we use the past simple? The example, last year, I went to an open-air festival. So, the first function is, you can use the past simple to talk about complete or finished action in the past. The action started and finished in the past. The next function. The example of the sentence. In the morning, first I got up, I brushed my teeth and took a shower, then I got dressed. The next function is, you can use the past simple to talk about one complete action after another. Next, the example sentence is, we have rehearsals every Friday before the concert. So, the function is, you can also use the past simple to talk about a past habit or regular past event. Now, we're gonna talk about form of regular verbs in the past simple. In the past simple, we add ed to the verbs to make a regular past simple form. When the verb ends with a consonant y, it changes to ied. And the example of the verb is like. It turned to liked. Visit, it turned to visited. Stay, it turned to stayed. And the study turned into studied. Next is the form of to be in the past simple. The examples, I was at the concert yesterday. What time were you there? How was it? The musicians were excellent. We weren't at the concert. We weren't at home. So, in the past simple, if is, it turned to was, and are, it turned to were, and I, you, and she, he, it is used was. We, you, and they are using were. And now, we're gonna learn about pronunciation. When a verb ends in an unfull sound, then ed is pronounced as t, no extra syllable. Like is liked. When a verb ends in a full sound, then ed is pronounced as d, plus no extra syllable. Stay, to be stayed. When a verb ends in a t or d sounds, add an extra syllable with ed. Want is to be wanted. And next, we're gonna talk about irregular verbs in the past simple. These are just a few examples of irregular verbs in the past simple. You need to learn their forms. Be, there are was and were. Have, it turned to had. Meet, it turned to met. Buy, it turns to bought. And go turns to went. Next, we are going to talk about how do we make positive sentences in the past simple. And the form is subject plus verb to and plus object. The examples are: I liked the music yesterday. I had a wonderful time. Next is how do we make a negative sentences in the past simple. And the form is subject plus did not or didn't plus verb 1 plus subject. In the negative sentence in the past simple, we use verb 1. So the examples are: I didn't like the music yesterday. I didn't have a wonderful time. And last, we are going to talk about how do we make question sentences in the past simple. The form of question sentences is did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. And the examples are: did they like the music at the concert? When did they do home? Now, let's practice what we've learned using quizzes. Please go to thequizzes.com and enter the code on the screen to join the quiz. And I'll give you a few minutes to answer the question. Let's see how well you understand the simple past tense. Great job everyone! So today we've learned about the simple past tense, its structure and how to use it in sentences. Remember, Regular verbs take ed and irregular verbs have unique past forms. Keep practicing with time expression.